Greetings YouTube, this is Quentin. I'm back with another unboxing. This is an unboxing of the Galaxy Watch 3. I don't do a lot of unboxings of smartwatches, but I actually have a lot of them, and I'd like using them. Right now I'm currently using the Moto 360 3, I believe, and I really like it. You know, without going on talking about too much about that watch, I really like the original Moto 360 and the 362. But anyway, right now we're going to just talk about the Galaxy Watch 3. I currently have a Galaxy Watch 2 Sport, I think it's called. I have a Gear S3, which I'm going to be trading in, you know, to get a credit when I bought this watch for $100, and that's really a good deal. It's the Gear S3 Frontier, which is a wonderful watch. I've used it for years. And I also have the Galaxy Watch 2 from last year, or actually may have been a year, last 2 years, I believe. But I've had this watch for a while. I've used it at work a lot, so I've kind of nicked it up a little bit, but it's still a really good watch, and the battery works very well. And that's what I really like about it. So I'll just get right to the unboxing of the Galaxy Watch 3. I like the packaging in this box. It's kind of got a new type of packaging, almost similar to Apple. So I kind of like that. Haven't watched a lot of videos on it. I know that it's supposed to be a thinner watch versus the previous models. And right off the bat, I really like it. I was waiting on this color at the time. They didn't really have it in stock, but they brought it back in stock, and I couldn't pass up the chance to get it, you know, with the trade-in program they offer. So pretty simple packaging, nice packaging, but simple. But here's the watch itself. I'm gonna put it to the side just really fast. Looks real nice compared to the other watches. What's in the box? I don't even think, I'm assuming it has a charger with it. Whoops. And the usual instruction guides. And if it does have a charger, it's a really small one. Okay, there it is. Pretty simple charger. Doesn't have like a brick to plug into your wall like a traditional charging brick, but it has a probably just a USB-A, USB-A connector to plug into any kind of USB hub, which I have, or you can plug it into your computer. A hub would probably be better because that's going straight to an electrical outlet. At least mine's do. But you know, you have just a little wireless charging pad, so I'll probably use that. But I also have my my dual charging dock that I got from Samsung. Actually, I got a lot of Samsung stuff, and I'm actually waiting on the new Note 20 Ultra to be delivered. I don't know if it's going to be delivered today because FedEx has been kind of slow with the pandemic and everything going on, but. Anyway, enough rambling. Here's the watch. It's a really nice watch. Like right now, I can tell I like it. You know, it is a thinner, and I liked it. What I liked about the Frontier is the color. It was black. I got the Gear S2, but it was just they only sold it with a black face and a silver surround. I don't know if they even had a all black one. Oh, you know, I think they did, but it was a smaller version, and I wanted the bigger version. So as I was able to get the bigger version of this watch in a black version, I think it actually looks even bigger than the one. So I think this is a 46. This is supposed to be a 45, I believe, but it actually looks bigger. But it probably because this one has this big chunky area around it, and the screen doesn't look as big as the newer watch. But anyway, it has the crown, of course, nice smooth crown. But I like the watch band also, and you can change these watch bands. Hopefully it's easier to change. I had a hard time, and it could be just the way these bands are made, but you gotta really get, especially with the band that comes with this watch, the S2. It's really hard to get these little locking pins locked in, and sometimes it pops out, and a lot of time I have to turn the watch off because I'll be pressing buttons and everything. But unlike the Moto 360, it's a similar type of mechanism to change the band, but it works a lot better. And this actually looks like it does work better. It's just the way it looks. It looked like I'll have an easier time. Looks like a different design. But right now, yeah, I can tell I really like this watch. And, it's going to I look forward to pairing it with my Note 20. And I'm trading my S20 in for the Note. That's the only way I can really afford such an expensive phone. And, Samsung gives you such good deals, but I'll talk about that on the unboxing. But yeah, it's a really good looking watch. I really like it. I like this band. I don't even know if I'm going to change it. But since I have another watch, I'll probably just use this for just when I'm off and on my off days and going out versus taking it to work. I doubt if I even take this to work. But I'm satisfied with it right now. I guess I could start it up, but I didn't really want to start it up until I pair it with my Note. I might do that later when I do my Note unboxing. So this is just a quick unboxing of the Samsung Gear S3, which is really nice watch. Hopefully the battery life is just as good that it is on the S2 and the S3. I'm sorry. Hopefully as good as on the S3 Frontier and the Galaxy Watch 2. So this is the Galaxy Watch 3. So yeah, I get the names mixed up because I had, they usually call it the S series, like the S2, the S1, but now it's the Galaxy Watch. So this is my third Galaxy Watch of that series. So anyway, this is a quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3, and look forward to a Note 20 Ultra unboxing. Thank you. Have a nice day.